HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hey kids, look! It's our very own cute furry friend, a dog. Let's draw. Start with the face. And now the body and front legs. Easy and fun. A cute nose and the big eyes. Let's draw a yummy treat for our friend. Don't forget the ears. And of course, don't forget the tail. Finish off with a nice, neat outline. Amazing! And now we color. Let's color our dog a light brown. Hey, little friend! Let's keep going. On to our body now. Aren't dogs your favorite too? They definitely are mine. Let's color his ears with a dark brown. The other one too. We're almost done. For the nose, a slightly darker brown. And the tail. Yay! All done! Isn't he the cutest little dog ever?